Hey everyone, Dr. Brian Chihuahua here, board certified sports physical therapist. Today is all about the single leg squat as part of our 7 tests for athleticism. So we go over the single leg squat for actual form and for overall stability and endurance, okay? So the single leg squat is one of those foundational movements you must have mastered to actually have good athleticism, okay? So I'm gonna do it for about 30 seconds first, and then I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and do it yourself. I'll give you guys a little bit of time and I'll tell you what you're supposed to be looking for, okay? So I'm gonna start the 30 seconds now. Okay, so that was about 30 seconds. Ideally, we want to do this test for a minute on both sides, okay? Because that's really going to test our fatigue and our overall endurance and our form. What we're looking for on this test, okay? We want to get to about 40 to 60 degrees of knee flexion, okay? So about here is where you need to get each rep, okay? What we're looking at is a couple things. We're looking at overall hip control, okay? Do you have good hip balance, or are you dropping at your hip as you're descending, okay? Do you have good trunk control, okay? Or are you leaning to one side or the other when you're coming down? Do you have good overall knee control, meaning that you're not buckling in or out? You saw me do that a few times as I got fatigued, okay? And then lastly, where did you put this leg? Was it forward, meaning that your center of mass was more forward and you're more of a quad dominant person? Or is it backwards and you're more of a posterior chain or glute dominant person? Ideally, we want to be able to be sitting back with our leg back, okay? Sitting down into it, controlling it slowly, coming back up with everything in alignment. So that is just one test for the 7 ways to test your athleticism.